Hi everyone, it's Fadrik and welcome back to a new game and a new devlog. It all started a couple of days ago. I was enjoying some free time on YouTube and I saw a video of Mr. Beast. He wants to plant 20 million trees all around the world and it was awesome. And he also launched a campaign for everyone else to join. Then, after an hour, I saw like 10 videos from YouTubers about the same subject and calling themselves Team Tree. And I knew they were on it from a long time, and I was pretty mad that no one even told me about it. I'm a big YouTuber, you know. So I swelled my pride and decided to do my part in helping Team Tree. And what I do best in life? Yup, you know it, developing games. And by that, I started my new journey on creating a small game about planting trees and saving the world. I remembered that I did a game a year ago that was an action-adventure roguelike game called 360 Adventure. Link in the description. And I wanted to recycle that game. You know, we're all about saving the world, yup, and I want to use that base code for the Team 3 game. The game is simple. You go around the planet, plant trees, and raise the auto level. And by that you can save the world. But you should do it fast, because trees got needs, and they can burn down by thunder. I started by opening the old project and cleaning up everything, from enemy AIs to all roguelike stuff, and I made sure the game is still working. Also, I adjusted the camera, so it would be closer to the player so he could see the soil and the tree. And yeah, I added a way to zoom in and out so he could see the beautiful world as he's saving it. Then I started working on the tree system. So each tree will have multiple stages, and when it reaches the final one, O2 will be added to the air, removing some of the pollution and clearing the sky. And yes, the system worked, and now it's time to work on the cloud system. And yep, the clouds do two things. Other than go around the planet in a stupid way, they produce rains that can wind past above the trees to fulfill their needs and to turn off the fire, caused by the next tool in the cloud's toolbelt, thunder. Then an amazing bug happened and created the ultimate cloud of life, giving life to the planet in seconds. I guess a couple of those and we don't even need the whole Team 3 things anymore. And we can only dream about that. But after fixing this bug and making sure that the game is working, it was time to create the art of the game. And when I started Photoshop, my laptop decided to shit the bed, Camtasia stopped working and recording, Photoshop decided to stop working too, and here goes 3 hours of my evening preparing the programs, get everything up and running. And after this sad break, I started the art side by drawing the trees. I wanted to have more than 2 types, but I know that it will take a lot of time and I don't have it right now. And for each type, I created 3 stages and 3 burn stages. And I found an awesome color palette to go along with this game. After the trees, it was time to spend creating the world. And it took me 3 hours to finish putting the details, and it turned out to be awesome. And I like the small details that I spent doing, like a small dinosaur, some stones, some minerals, and maybe an Easter egg or a hint on a small project I am doing on the side. Keep on the lookout. Also, the art for the crowd and the sky has to be made, and thanks to God they didn't take that much time. And by that, the art was ready to implement into the game and start doing the final testing before starting working a bit on the UI. So I got the UI into place, and of course I added the Team 3 donation button so we all can help and save the planet. Finally, it was time to add the music into the game. I'm a big 2.5 Men fan, so I got my little sister and me together. We recorded a small cover to the intro song, but with trees instead of men. And it turned out to be pretty awesome. And I ended up this session by recording the rest of the sound effects and adding them into the game. Finally, it was time to build the game and upload it to the internet. And I expanded my pages to HIO, Game Jolt, and Newgrounds, so everyone can experience my game. So, Tree is a simple mini game about going around the world and planting trees. You can only do one action to each tree, and when it's done, the tree grows. And you should be aware of thunder. Do not burn down your entire forest. I hope you enjoyed this devlog, and don't stop at playing the game, but don't forget to donate to Team Tree and help us plant 20 million trees all around the world, and every dollar is a tree. What a deal! All you have to do is visit teamtree.org, and to play the game, you can find it on itch.io, GameJolt and Newgrounds, links in the description. In the end, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also consider joining our kingdom on Discord and be one of its 9. Stay safe and see you all in the next adventure.